Beyond the Noise.
What is peace? Really?
Defining peace across every context. Hello world, this is your host. I am Jo.
I am Crystal,
I am Gemma.
and welcome to Beyond the Noise, the podcast where we dig deeper into the words we use every day and the worldviews they shape. I am Crystal, and that today we're asking a question that seems simple but isn't. So, Jo, how do you define peace across all contexts?
So for me, peace is the absence of conflict. Kung sa Bisaya pa, kalinaw, tranquility, harmony, niya, muna siya ang peace nga kana ganing. Peace is a great blessing if nano siya sa imuhang life and makita nimo siya sa imuhang environment.
For me, kaya ang peace kay inner peace or wala ko yung inner conflict, like I'm free, I'm calm, that is peace for me.
Yeah, so peace is one of those words, gani, that feels universal but means different things depending on where you're standing. So, is peace the absence of war, a quiet mind, just like Gemma said, a stable home, or a just society? So, there are different, definitions of peace depending on the context. For example, if you say peace within yourself, that means you have come to terms with the things that is troubling you. Dili lang kay financially stable ka, dili lang na mo ang meaning sa peace. Like, wala kay problema, but it is about resolving your inner issues. Gani? That's how I
Define.
find peace within oneself.
In international relations, peace means the end of conflict, right? So, kung sa ito nakita karon sa Gaza and sa Israel. So, in the inner self, peace can mean mental stillness or emotional acceptance. Sa religion, peace often refers to harmony with the divine. So, in activism put, peace might mean justice, equity, and freedom from oppression. So, Gemma, how do we talk about peace without oversimplifying it?
Peace isn't just absence of war, right? This includes inner peace and social justices, political stability. That's, for me, is peace. Like, without simplifying it.
So, are all these types of peace connected, or are we stretching the word too far? So, do you think peace is a universal goal, or is it culturally relative?
For me lang, no? I think peace kay universal na siya kay kita tanan makabati man gyud tag kalinaw sa ato ang kinabuhi bisan asa kita man gyud na siya sa atong environment.
Yeah, and you have to consider others' input in making decisions. And so, Gemma, how do you define peace in in a school context as a student?
For me, in school context, kaya ang peace kay like a harmony sa classroom, like each students like makabudget sila, like walay a war, like I say war or conflict sa gusto classmates. Yeah, harmonious something.
So,
Ikaw, Crystal, what does peace look like in your personal relationships?
peace in personal relationships, like what you mean, intimate relationships or
Platonic.
platonic relationships. But regardless, I define peace like dili lang gani kanang wala may conflict sa usag-usa, wala may nagbungol ing ana. But even if wala may personal contact or something, dili may magstoryahay, dili may mag-interact on a day-to-day basis, kay like at peace for me, we're good with each other, we don't have any issues, like yeah, it's coexisting.
So, importante gyud kaayo ng international relations, no? Kung atong i-relate sa peace, as well as sa religion, sa atong self, or even sa activism, di ba? So, ikaw, nag-eskwela man ka dire, unsa man ang peace sa imuhang sa school, sa classroom.
Oh, like what Gemma said,
Oh.
katong walay conflict
Conflict.
within your classmates, like
Harmonious ra. Then, kuan, magtinabangay bitaw, lifting each other up.
true.
Walay mahabilin, like, walay crab mentality. Narab na sa Pinay ang crab mentality na hilahan pa baba.
Yes. Correct. That's right.
Dapat walay nga na, guys.
That's right. Kanang mga yung kag-answer sa imong classmates, anya tagaan ka og wrong, kay
Answer.
compete days ka sa imuha kanang maskin wala niya gi voice out pero
Secret
Na sa action.
Aminosity?
iyang tumong kay nakig-compete na dahil ana like niya imuhang other classmates kay genuine kayo og kuan. So let's bring this to another level. So can you say that Philippines is at peace?
If, for me, no. There,
Why is that?
there ka nang daghan siya na ban peace, like makita mo na to, social justice is not fair, right? Especially if you're like naka sa
Underprivileged.
underprivileged justice, you cannot
Middle class.
get that justice that you want if in kuan nakapagin sila. And also jobs na dira ang kuan
Lack of opportunities. So, pero, contrary to kanang what the many believe, nga ang Philippines daw is at peace because there is the absence of war. But what they don't know is that dili ra na mao ang basis sa peace. So, katoy mong isulti nga, there are social injustices, lack of opportunities, and most especially poverty, and then climate change. Like daghan kayo og kanang problems nga need i-address ang Philippines. That
Most people kay wala lingid sila sa ilahang kaalaman.
mo na sila nga at peace ta kay syempre walay bloodbath, walay kuan, pero there are these issues nga dili nato malikayan in which daho kay siya impact sa atong country and sa atong individual being.
So peace starts within ourselves. So kung dili ka in peace sa imong maka-affect din na siya sa imong environment, diba?
True. So peace starts within
yourself.
oneself. Okay, so I have another question. Can you have peace without truth?
So, atong ibutang sa personal relationship level, whether platonic ba or intimate, di ba? So, can you have peace without truth? Sakto ba?
Yeah.
So, for me, dili jud kay I'm in a relationship myself, so without knowing the truth, dili jud ko at peace, like mag-overthink, una-una jud ko bate. 'Di ba? If dili ka kaibaw kung sa tinuod. So ikaw, Gemma, how can you relate to that question?
Ay, kanina lang, Jima. Can you share a time when you truly felt at peace?
Okay?
Can you share a time when you felt truly at peace? Yeah.
Yeah, a lot. Actually, kanang kuan. For me, kanang being peace, like I want to be alone actually. Then go to church alone and just sitting alone and talking to him. And that's for me is when I'm at peace. But also fun, sing music. Like being alone to myself is for being peace to me. And also with my family, I feel
At peace.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
relate to talking to him whenever there are
Blurry.
distractions and my life is a mess. So when things go south, I just talk to him.
yeah.
Okay, so this boils down to another question. How do you maintain peace within yourself during stressful or uncertain times, especially karon nga nanata sa
weeks.
Finals na.
finals.
Final
Yeah.
weeks or my
So,
final week.
It's either I finish this
Oh.
or it finishes me.
Me.
So So yeah, how do you maintain peace within yourself during stressful or uncertain times?
So ako, I maintain peace within myself sa labi nagkaroon nga stressful jud kayo. Kanang mutik gani kog a moment nga i-off lang akong laptop, off laptop, off ang phone unya higda lang without kana gani
Doing anything.
wala ko ginawa na lain, busog ko ingana kanang take a moment to relax akong body, akong mind, and eventually makatuog man jud ka ana, so makarest gid ka. And one thing sad para ma-maintain imong peace within sa imong self, labi nag stressful kaayo kay surround yourself with right
Positive
people, good
people.
and positive people kay makadako jud ka na siya influence nimo labi na sa ingana nga times. Ikaw, Gems, unsa man Gems, Crystal?
For me, I find peace, I find solitude in running, mag-jogging ko.
Oh, wow,
Yes.
healthy lifestyle.
Even if daghang tao sa oval, I just find peace and solitude whenever I run. Yeah, kanang it helps with my physical and mental and emotional health. And also, if wala ko outdoors, magtungit ko. Outside.
With a game.
Yeah, it's your way. So, no? So, lain jud tag pamaagi kung saan nato pag maintain ang peace within ourselves during finals nga era o time, no?
Okay, I have another question for you too. So, do you think peace is a choice or a result of circumstances? Like, nahitabo lang siya tungod sa mga butang-butang, or choice gid na sa tao nga makig-at peace?
For me, it's a choice because kanang kuan na siya ang peace kay it's within yourself man pod, like if peace, like di ka manghilabot sa usa ka tao, like wala your peace, but for me it's a choice. It's
Yeah.
not kuan because of the situation, dili siya for me lang kay kung peaceful ka, you will be peaceful to other. You like mind some, di ka mag-mind sa other people, so peace ka sa yourself.
True. So personally pod, I associate peace with kindness.
Yeah.
So me personally, I choose to always be kind to others and especially to myself, and that is what I do with being at peace with others and myself too. So it is a choice. We have the option to change our mindset. We have the choice how to react to things, to
Yes,
the things
that's
around
correct.
us, even if it
Yeah.
is turbulent or stressful already. Mas pilion na to nga ang what do you call this, kanang option nga makahatag na to og kalinaw o without compromising anything.
So, it's how you react in certain situations, you know?
It's how you react. It matters good. Okay, so I have one last question.
Okay.
How do you cultivate peace in your relationship with others? Again, how can we cultivate peace in our relationship with others?
So, siguro communication lang gyud.
Yeah,
Kaya dira mo gina
understanding each other.
mag-start ang kuan nga if you communicate your feelings, if naakay ka ng nabakay kahiubos, nabakay kuan, kaguol sa usa ka tawo sa imong friend baka ha, you communicate that kay wala may sayop, wala may makwagtang sa imong ha if paubsan lang po ang pride gamay.
Yes, and you listen to them.
Imo sad siyang
Understanding.
i-take in ang ilang itabi. Then
Empathize
peace
with them.
will be cultivated.
So, na pa today last. Kani ganahan ko aning question, and I'll start by answering. So the question is, what advice would you give to someone struggling to find peace? So, what the advice that I can give to someone struggling to find peace is that focus on what you can control.
yeah.
So your your reactions, your habits. If ma-stuck ka sa situation nga kanang dili nimo kontrolado, din buhi let it
Yeah.
be. Ayaw pag dwell, ayaw pag kanang don't let yourself drown in that negative emotions and those negativities, and seek stillness lang good, even for a short period of time. Like tagay mong self nga kanang ma-realize nimo ang mga things, ma-clear nimo imong mind.
Yes.
And also, do not be afraid to ask
Ask
for support and help.
help.
So it doesn't make you less of a person.
Very. Yes, that's so true. So maybe the best definition of peace is one we keep refining. Because the world keeps changing, and so do we, because we are humans after all. We keep evolving, and evolving.
So thanks for exploring these essential questions with me. If today's episode made you think, I'd love to hear your definition of peace. Send me a voice note or tag us on social media at Beyond the Noise Pod.
Until next time, stay grounded and keep asking the
The deeper questions.
Till next time.
Bye!